Good morning. My name is Saibal Sri Bera, and I have purchased a vehicle, Urban Cruiser, from this showroom, Nandi Toyota, on Kanakpura Road, Bangalore. I am having this vehicle for 4 years, and from the time I bought this vehicle, every time I have come to the service center, this Nandi Toyota, for servicing and other consultation, details, everything. And I have seen the people, I have met so many people in this outlet. They all are so technically strong, they're so friendly and cooperative, giving proper advice. And the job also that they have done for me, they are also always very good. I will really appreciate the teamwork of this Nandi Toyota. And I will always wish for them to excel in their service to the people, service in their work and everything. And so I wish them all the best. And I have been coming, as I told before, I've been coming here since last 4 years, and I will continue coming here also. I will have no hesitation recommending this to people and telling people that yes, they are doing a good job. Thank you so much for this. All the best. Bye now.